Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope some of you remember this stitch. It's a very easy stitch, 2 rows repeat, goes really fast. So I did a modification to this stitch. So from this, I was thinking for like a table runner. It's quite nice. So from this stitch I just did a very small modification and I came up with this. So for a table runner, for a cardigan, if some of you like this, all you have to do is the same stitch like this one, is the same like this. The only difference is that I put 2 rows of single crochet. Yeah. So I will put the link with the stitch, this one, so you will know exactly what to do when it comes to put the 2 rows of single crochet. So after you do the double crochet, the row with the double crochet, in each stitch of the double crochet and the chain one, you're gonna do a single crochet. So you're gonna do 2 rows of single crochet. And well, in total this stitch has 4 rows repeat. You know? So we started with this, then the double crochet, and this one has 2 rows of single crochet, and then this row. So if some of you like this stitch for a table runner, for a cardigan, for a scarf, if you don't mind for a scarf that the stitch is not reversible. So I'm not gonna do the tutorial. This is very easy, goes really fast, this stitch. All you have to do is just put 2 rows of single crochet. So so you have the first row, the second, third and fourth, which are the single crochet, and then you start again with the first, second, and then third and fourth, and so on. It's quite easy, this one. I'm sure many of you will like this this stitch. Just give it a try. Yeah. It's very easy and looks quite nice. Even this one looks nice. So if you like this modification, it's very simple. 2 rows of single crochet. Do something with the stitch. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.